What's up everyone? It's me again, Mark Paragas, and finally guys, sa lahat ng subscribers natin, followers natin all around the world, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And this vlog natin guys will be a special one, and we will make it as memorable as possible. And syempre sobrang exciting because we are going to celebrate the Chiang Mai Heritage Sky Lantern Festival. Dito lang syempre sa Chiang Mai, Thailand. And kinuha ko siya sa Klook guys. Lalagay ko lang information and we'll talk more about it later on. But for now, nandito tayo sa venue kung saan yung meeting place natin. Kasi guys, we need to go far away from the city just to witness yung mga sky lantern, kasi bawal na bawal siya dito within the airport area, which is malapit lang kasi tayo sa airport. Alright, so 2:30 guys ang pick up time. Dito tayo sa Starbucks Central Plaza Mall, and sobrang dami ng pila. And just to let you know guys, this festival or this lantern festival sa Klook kasi is more on the tourists.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Long lines. And look at this. Sobrang daming turista, sobrang daming foreigners. And look at the lines. Parang hindi organized guys. Oh my god. And sabi ko pa naman sa isip ko na this vlogmas that we have, I want it dapat positive tayo and happy. But now, sobrang init. And look at the people. Ayan, mga nagagalit pa. I hope maayos nila to. Kasi ang sabi guys, bus ang sasakyan going there, and I think maximum of 50 heads ang kaya sa bus. But I don't see any bus right now. And ayan, init na init yung mga tao. So currently it's 2:39 PM and ang dapat ang start nito ng mga registration is 2:30 PM, but seems like they cannot fix the line. Wala masyadong maayos na guidelines about how to register. Sobrang daming foreigners guys, and for sure pag ito nag-inarte lahat, hindi nila kakayanin. I hope the operator is nandito to manage these people. Grabe, init na sila. Oh, nandito tayo sa lilim. Sisingit lang tayo mamaya. Though ang nasa ticket naman guys, from 2:30 to 4:30 yung biyahe going to the venue. But right now, parang sila ate is naguguluhan, hindi nila alam gagawin. Dapat at least may mga marshals sila. Tapos, ang naisip pa nilang parang venue for the registration is dito sa malapit sa highway. So good luck sa pila mamaya. Sobrang init guys. Ayan, loloka din mga apam. Saktong-sakto guys, ang Loy Krathong and Gipeng Festival is all about parang getting rid of your problems, your worries, and mukhang ganun mangyayari guys. All this chaos, feeling ko ganun ang ending. Magiging happy pa rin tayo dapat lahat. Sige, balitaan ko kayo later.
A few moments later.
So guys, kaka-start pa lang. Pero ang sabi is naubusan natin sila ng bus. I'm not sure. So baka walang dumating na bus. Kasi wala nga ako nakikitang bus. So I'm not sure on how they're going to fix it. Nagre-reklamo ng mga mga apam guys. Good luck. Where are you guys going? Are you guys going? Yeah?
Yeah, you?
Have you registered yet?
We've got tickets.
Oh, okay.
They were saying something about checking, but then she's not checking anything.
Oh yeah.
I think we may as well be in the shade, not the sun.
That's right.
Yeah.
I heard they ran out of bus.
They ran out of buses.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. They need to tell us.
Checking anyone, there's no buses here.
Yeah. It's really messy right now guys. They don't know what to do. Nag-iisa lang yung staff. Ito si ate, kawawa naman. Versus all these people na kumuha ng ticket. Marami na nagagalit. Kawawa naman si ate, pero look at the lines. Walang maayos na lines actually. Hindi nila alam kung saan mag-check-in, mag-register, and napakaliit ng table. Nasa likod ni ating naka-white. Tapos katabi ni ate, tinutulungan na siya ng Thai din. Kasi nga, kawawa naman si ate na tinutulungan siya mag-explain sa iba. But still, they should have anticipate the crowd kasi nangyayari naman to every year. May mga bata pa. And did you know na ito yung price niya? Ito yung price ng ticket ha. Hindi siya biro. And I hope this is not a scam, guys. Maghanap na lang tayo ng mga gwapo. Diba? Dapat positive pa rin.
1 hour later.
Alright, let's go! Let's go, people! Okay, let's go! Excuse me. Let's go to the bus. Finally. Yeah. O, diba? So guys, no registration, no check-in process. We just followed ate dun sa mga bus. Medyo nauna tayo. Mga tao nag-uunahan. And look at the line. Look at that. Look. Sana maging maayos naman pagdating doon, di ba? Sana. Let's still be positive. Ayan guys, may mga bus na ako nakikita. Gustong mauna ng mga tao. Ayun, maraming bus dahil sa parking area. Basta wala ng registration. Siguro lahat na to naka-register at lahat na to may ticket. Or I'm not sure. I'll tell you more about it later on. But now, para tayong may rally. Look at the number of people at the back. There you go. Nauuna na tayo guys. Nauuna na tayo. Yun ang ano, ang advantage kapag mag-isa ka lang talaga. You get to sing it. And here we are. Sana lang alam ni ate kung nasan yung bus. Oh my god, baka wala pa ata. OMG. So there you go. This one. There you go. Alright, so finally we were able to get in. So, follow the leader. And we are the leader. Masaya. Okay lang yung ganun. You always need to be hydrated guys. Bring water. Sobrang init.
A few moments later.
So guys, finally we just arrived here at the Dutch Farm, Chiang Mai. And this is actually 30 minutes away from Starbucks Central Plaza. And now we're going to do a registration. Look at the line. Yan. Ay, wait lang. And once you get here, you need to fall in line to register kasi there will be a lot of people attending this festival. So part of the ticket guys na nakuha natin is the round trip transfer. Napakalapit lang pala nito. Akala ko yung mga medyo bundok-bundok tayo. And sabi ko nga sa inyo kasi diba, hindi allowed magpailaw ng lantern o palipad ng lantern doon sa malapit sa airport. So we are 30 minutes far from the city. And maraming parking lot dito. I think yung iba dito na mismo dumiretso. May mga van siguro silang mga sasakyan. And pwede rin pala itong ano, i-motor. Para at least diba, alam nyo na kung anong gagawin nyo next time, next year. So by the way, this whole activity guys, our Vlogmas Day 24. And this will be the paid version on how to celebrate the Lantern Festival or the Yipeng and Loy Krathong Festival here in Chiang Mai. And we're gonna have a separate video guys, the free one. And syempre, yun yung magiging finale natin, which is our Vlogmas Day 25, which is tomorrow. So we'll see. Kasi this one kukosto ng almost 6,000 pesos and that's actually ano pa, parang discounted pa kasi I booked this like ilang months before this event. And guys, dun pala sa meet-up venue niyo, meeting place, walang registration doon. As in, literal na meeting place lang siya. Then, hintayin nyo lang yung magiging guide or tour guide niyo na i-assist kayo going to the bus. Ayun, so yun yung nangyari. Kala kasi ng mga tao, kaya nakapila para mag-register. But, once you get here, dito pala kayo magre-register. Papakita nyo yung clock ticket niyo or any ticket kung saan nyo siya nabili. And then, pwede na kayong magala-gala sa loob. This side?
Yeah, okay. The purple, that's your group.
Like this light?
Yeah.
Okay.
Entraron. Sana pala kasi mahilig mo sa masyado. At init ako sa kanya. Init na.
Grabe guys, walang maayos na pila yung Klooktrip.com, Agoda, kung saan pa kayong third party platform kumuha ng ticket.
2 hours later.
Sawadika. Kap. Ngayon ako guys, the registration and everything is a nightmare. Oh my god. Okay, Kap. Grabe guys, grabe. By the way, lahat ng food na nandito is free. Lahat ng drinks, free. No alcoholic drinks. That registration guys is a night. Ay nako, may nakaaway pa ako. Sobrang chaotic. Yung kanina pa lang sa venue, yung sa bus. Tapos pagdating dito guys, 1.5 hours. Hindi maayos yung pila ng Klook. Oh my god, wait. Nabago bigla. Nabago bigla pagdating dito. May popcorn, wala pang popcorn. This one. Cup. Ayun guys, mga libre pagkain dito. Unlimited. Punin ko na lang yung mga food. There's sugar cane?
No, sugar.
Not sugar? Okay. What is that?
Kauram.
Kauram. One cap. Ipunin natin yung pagkain tapos upo tayo somewhere. O, diba? Mababawi yung init ng ulo natin. Ito ni Kuya, oh. Ayan pala. Dito guys, ayan o, mga pagkain. Pwede kayong kumuha dito. Pero hindi siya ano ha. Masarap siya. Para siyang rice cracker. Tapos marami upuan dito. Nai-invite talaga ako guys. Tinutulak ko daw sa pila. Sinabi ko talaga doon. Sabi ko, I'm not pushing you, bitch. Nagamit natin yung pagkamalditan natin. What are you talking about, bitch? Oh my god. Hindi ko lang nakuhaan guys. Visit talaga. Visit. Dito na lang may gwapo dito, oh. Maraming upuan dito, ayan. May mga pila ng mga gusto ng pagkain. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pagkain yan. Ayan. Mas mahalaga sa akin pagkain. Ayan siya. Whoop. Grabe, hindi organized. Guys, Klook KK Day, mga third party app, napaka-disorganized. As in. Ayan. Tapos may mga souvenirs. Hindi ko alam kung may bayad yan. Ayan. Ay, mga ano, long neck. Nakakatuwa. I'll try 1-1. Dito tayo pumesto sa gilid. May dalawang drinks tayo. I don't know kung ano itong drinks na to. Pero again, non-alcoholic drinks to ah. Ngayon natin to. Para sa ano? Sa Saba. Tama nga ako. This is called Jamlong.
Where do you guys get the water?
Water? Just the water?
Yeah, just the water. Okay, thank you.
After the entrance. Sarap. Masarap siya. Ah, look oh. Hello. Where did you get the loy krathong?
Oh, you have to make yourself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, somewhere.
Over here. Over there.
Running out.
Oh, got it.
Yeah,
Alright.
no, they have, but they're better go.
Alright.
They're running out of flowers.
Oh.
And then this one, our hotel.
Oh yeah, I saw you a while ago holding it.
I know they were kind and they give to us, but we have to keep on holding.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no.
Nag-review na lang pagkain mo.
Take the white off the front. So right now.
Mas malasa to. Okay, gawa tayo ng loy krathong. Loy krathong guys is like a offering, a small one. May mga malalaki din. And then they just have it float on the river para yun rin yung letting go of your worries. And then also pa-thank you na rin sa water goddess. Oh, this is where you make the loy krathong. Oh, yep. I like the pink one. Yeah. Grab it. I'll grab it for you. I like the pink one. Alright, so this is the line where you make the loy krathong. Napakahaba naman ng pila. So guys, we are falling in line here kung saan gagawa ko rin ng loy krathong or yung offering na made of banana leaves, may incense at saka may candle. Meron akong candle. I have the yellow and the pink one. And guys, look at the full moon. I'll show it to you using my other camera. Bali, sige, pag-usapan natin habang nasa pila tayo, yung ticket. Yung schedule na to guys is 2:30 to 4:30 magiging transfer ninyo. Tapos, pagdating nyo dito guys, from 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. yung registration. Siyempre, sa sobrang chaotic ng registration ng mga third-party apps guys, sobrang manual. Iko-control file nyo yung names nyo talaga. Tapos, dalawang laptop lang ginagamit nila versus sa thousands of people na kumuha sa Klook or sa kahit saan pa. Tapos, from 7 to 8 o'clock, you will enjoy the art and Thai classical dance performances dito. Ayan. Tapos, 8 to 9, ceremony na. Doon na rin mapapa-lantern. Tapos, 9 to 9:30, uwian na. Ganun siya.
1 hour later.
What is it? So guys, we will not be able to make our own loy krathong, and this activity is a complete mess. I hate it. Sobrang labo-labo guys, as in. So I guess we'll just go ahead and follow these people na mag-offer. Ang hirap. Dapat maging masaya dahil Lantern Festival to, pero I'm not gonna do this again. Siguro Maghintay na lang tayo hanggang lantern. Yon, pang finale natin. Siyempre, kailangan maging happy pa rin tayo. But, for tomorrow guys, Christmas, on Christmas Day na vlog natin, I'll show you the free one. Yung walang ganito, pero may mga bayad yung lantern, may bayad yung Loy Krathong, pero free version ng Lantern Festival here sa Chiang Mai. Ang pangit na gawa nila. Ang tsaka. Ngayon pa lang guys, don't book the Chiang Mai Heritage Sky Lantern. Don't ever book this again. At least na experience ko, para hindi nyo na ma-experience guys. Actually maraming operator na nag-o-offer ng Lantern Festival. Iba't ibang lugar siya. Hindi lang ito, hindi lang nag-iisa to. Meron pang CAD. Mag-book kayo sa ibawag dito, sa Heritage. Ay nako, parang essence ng Lantern Festival. Grabe, hindi nyo pinagandaan ng maayos. Syempre hindi na maintindihan ito, diba? Pero guys, sa mga followers ko, sa mga subscribers natin, sa mga friends natin, don't try this. Mag-book kayo ng iba. Okay? Then, again, tomorrow guys, I'm gonna show you the free version. We're gonna travel as well using Bumblebee sa Doi Saket. And then there, may ganito rin, may lantern. Doon tayo magpapailaw, doon tayo mag-offer sa water goddess nila. And wala, nandito na tayo eh. So at least na-experience ko, para hindi nyo ma-experience. Tapos, let's just wait for the lantern. Then, okay na. Mag-offer na lang tayo ng kandila dito. That is for my friends, subscribers, followers. There. That candle is for you guys. More years with you everyone. And ingat kayo palagi. See you next year guys sa ating panibagong journey and adventure. And this one, syempre, for my family. More years to celebrate happiness with my family and loved ones. I love you so much. Good health and more blessings to come.
A few moments later.
Enjoy ko na lang pagkain dito. Ayan guys, may ilaw tayong dala. Kala nyo, kala nyo hindi ako prepared bahala kayo dyan. Meron tayong popcorn, meron parang tupig sa Pangasinan guys. Masarap siya, matamis, konti. Tapos syempre may water. Egg. Thank you. Diba? Makasuta kayo ha. Ito, kukuha ko nito. May init-init pa. Popcorn. Masarap yung popcorn nila in fairness. Ito guys, parang egg. Ayan o. Masarap. May init-init. Pancake ang peg. Maganda na tayo, mag-enjoy kumain. Kung napanood nyo yung ano natin, Siargao vlog, parang ganito siya. Kasaba, crispy kasaba, parang ganon. Masarap pag mainit. Follow me! Mag-enjoy na lang tayo dito. Ano may tsura si Kuya, oh? What's that?
Wow, thank you so much.
Oh, may souvenir. So dapat guys, kapag asar na kayo, banas na banas kayo sa mga nangyayari, look for another way. Like go for the plan B. Basta be happy. Yun yung ginagawa natin dito. Nag-enjoy pa rin tayo. Like ako, nag-enjoy ako sa pagkain. Nag-enjoy ako sa kakasayaw.
We would like to invite everyone. We're gonna move inside a little bit, and we will get ready to do the lantern.
That's what I'm talking about.
The lantern or the fire balloon together at the same time. So right now, we still have.
Let's enjoy the rest of the night. Diba? Wala eh. Kailangan natin mag-enjoy. Okay, so yung lantern guys, sa ibang side siya. Doon siya gagawin. Yan, makikinood na lang tayo guys. Look at that. Oop, oh. What happened? Oh no, oh.
Yeah, everything is good.
They're good?
Yeah, it's just wet. No.
Just check if you have bruises.
Oh!
Yeah.
Scary. Oh my god.
Alright, very good.
Yeah.
No bruises? Okay. I'll just put this one. Wait. You can check.
Yeah, but I think it's everything good.
Are good? Sure? You're welcome. Yep.
Cuidado ahí porque hay un hoyo, ¿eh?
No, wait. Do not remove it.
Thank you.
Just spray some alcohol. Just spray.
Okay. Yeah, so fine. What you just let's just do it. You want white? No, I think no. Thank you so much.
So guys, may na-aksidente. May butas tong inaapakan namin. Ayan yun, medyo tinulungan natin. Kasi may dala akong first aid kit. That's the reason you should bring your own first aid kit guys wherever you go. Lalo na pag may mga tour kayo. Kasi mga ganyan. Kahit yung mga mosquito repellent, you need to be prepared. Meron ako mga antihistamine, may for mosquito bites, may alcohol, may wipes, may gasa. Ayan. Good thing wala naman siyang sugat. Alright. So this is it again. Mukhang malamok. They are now enjoying their Loy Krathong moment. Guys, let's take this moment to join them while they are doing their offering to the water goddess. Kahit wala tayong ganyan tomorrow guys. Pero medyo nakikisali na rin ako sa kanila. Wala na yung inis ko kanina. Pinabawi ko na. Nakapagsindi naman na tayo ng kandila. And then isa sa mga Loy Krathong na yan, sama nyo na yung mga issue ko kanina. Tsaka mga worries in life, mga issues in life. Guys, enjoy life. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment. Alright, so we are done on this part. We are going on this side for the lantern. Babawi tayo. Let's watch them how they make their Loy Krathong. Do you need lights?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you. A ver, ¿cómo? Thank you.
You're welcome.
A ver, ¿cómo ponemos los palitos? ¿No hay palitos? Ay.
Vale.
Go there, over there.
Hola.
On your hand.
Ay, thank you. A ver, thank you.
You're welcome. I enjoy watching it.
Mira, así. Quítalo tú.
Do you want to make it?
No, I'm good. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, medyo nawawala na yung natin. Sama ng loob. Medyo mahangin na sa part na to. Kasi dun kanina medyo mainit, daming tao. And now we are heading to the area kasi yung lantern ceremony. And then may performance pa ata. Ayun. O diba? Dala-dala ko siya Kasi pag nagki-cave ako, tsaka pag gabi yung mga shots ko, dala ko palagi to. Party! 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 And this way to the Chiang Mai Heritage Sky Lantern Festival. Char. Ay, may pila na naman. May pagkain na naman dito, guys. Ay. Ayan, may pila na naman dito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong pila. Pero wait. Parang may live performance dito. I'm not sure. I'm just curious. I'll find out. Diba? Ay, may mga pagkain pala dito. Naubos na. Oh, are they lining up for food? Oh, okay. They're lining up for some food.
Oh, it's
just food.
okay. I thought it's the lantern.
I think you can go here.
I didn't see for lantern.
You can just go inside, yeah.
Thanks a lot.
O diba guys, ang bait-bait natin. So ayan, we're here. There's no queue for the lantern, just for the food. Pagkain ng mga yan. Tignan mo, diba naka-line sila? Akala nila may line. O ang ending, wala. O diba? Puro food. Pwede tayong pumunta dito. What kind of food is this? Salad? No more. No more. No more. No more. Puro lettuce. Oh. Meron din dito. Ang haba naman ng pila.
Ja, dat springt nu.
And this one. Oh, these noodles. Noodles. Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is the venue for the Sky Lantern. Diyan kayo magpapalipad. Diyan tayo. Bakit kayo? Nasanay na hindi nagjo-join. Di kasi tayo nakapag-Loy Krathong, di ba? So diyan kayo magpapalipad. And there's a seat number. So we are sitting on the N81. Tapos sa kabilang side dito, puro food. Food. Ayan, mahaba yung pila, guys eh. Kasawa na ako. Ibabawi ko na lang ng kain mamaya. Magpahinga na muna tayo. Let's enjoy this moment. And this is our finale, guys, for this Vlogmas. Of course, the lantern ceremony. Again, guys, if you're here in Chiang Mai, you might want to consider celebrating the Lantern Festival here sa Chiang Mai. Marami yan, guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, maraming ticket, marami saklok, marami rin mga other third-party platform na nagbebenta. Yun nga lang, medyo hindi organized. Yun nangyari kanina. Sobrang labo-labo, sobrang grabe yung pila. May nag-aaway, may nakaaway ako. Hindi ko lang nakuhaan. Registration pa lang, hindi nila na-manage na maayos. And now we're here. Wala tayong Loy Krathong kasi you need to make your own Loy Krathong pala. Akala ko is meron na siya dito, naka-prepare na 1 Loy Krathong each person. Tapos dito naman 2 lantern each person. So syempre magpapalipad tayo, guys. First is for my family and loved ones, syempre. And then second lantern, guys, for all of you na sumubaybay sa akin for the entire year. Oh my God, naiyak ako. Meron pa naman tayo, guys, meron pa tayong pang finale na Vlogmas, which is tomorrow, celebrating the Lantern Festival with the local. Kasi ito is parang celebrating Lantern Festival with the tourists. Mga tourists na mga kasama mo talaga dito. Mga wala rin lokal dito, mga natutulog ang mga lokal, mga nasa bahay. Yun yung sasabi nila sa mga comment section sa Facebook group na sinalihan ko, na hindi nila sinasuggest na sumali sa mga ganitong event kasi mahal. Mahal talaga, tapos hindi organized, which is mismong lokal ang mga nagsasabi, pati mga expat na nandito na nag-retire. And then ang sinasuggest nila, marami daw free talaga, free version ng festival na to, ng Loy Krathong and ng lantern, which is yun ang itatry natin tomorrow. So syempre wala na ako, hindi na ako galit. Nakipagsayaw na tayo, nakakain na tayo, okay na yun, satisfied ako. Pero if ngayon pa lang tatanungin nyo ako kung worth it ba, no, not worth it, guys. Hindi organized, magulo yung ganitong nangyayari. Pero syempre, let's just go with the flow. Let's light up the lantern later, and then isama na natin yung mga problema natin sa buhay. And every chair guys, meron siyang parang candlelight para dyan nyo na lang sisindihan yung lantern ninyo. Tapos may mga lantern na rin nakasama. Okay, hanapin natin yung upuan natin. Okay. So may nag-a-assist naman pala.
CAD different on dark skin. Not here. Not here. Not here.
Yeah, it's a different one. Yeah. Different, yeah. Other place. No, not here. Not on this area.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you know?
I don't know where is it. This is Com Loy Sky Lantern. This is a different one.
Different one?
Yeah, different one. This is Heritage Lantern. Yes, Heritage Lantern. That's a different one.
Different one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Well, I guess you can enjoy.
What's the name of it?
Oh my God. Mali sila ng napuntahan guys. That's the Com Loy.
Website or something. In Pacific. In Pacific. On the right.
Okay, thank you. I'll check it later. Oh my God, yung mga Koreans. Guys, mali sila ng napuntahan na event. Com Loy CAD. Sa ibang lugar yun. This one is the Heritage. Bakit sila pinapasok? Kakaawa naman. Ayoko ng ganyan. Asan na sila? Sa ano sila guys? CAD. Kaluka naman. Bakit sila pinapasok? Grabe, nakakaawa. Asan sila? Nakakaawa naman. Pwede ko namang bigay sa kanila sana yung ano, yung lantern ko. Kasi dalawa yon. Tapos makikilantern naman tayo bukas. Okay lang sa akin. I'm sad. Ganun guys, yung mga kaya ginagawa ko tong mga pagbablog. I want to show you guys yung mga walkthrough and guide para clear. Kasi yung syempre, hindi man nila naiintindihan yung vlogs natin sa ibang lahi. Pero still, bali ito kasi guys is Heritage Sky Lantern. Yung sa kanila, Com Loy Sky Lantern. So CAD yun. So ibang lugar yun guys. Hindi siya dito. Parang nagpaalam kasi agad sila. Sabi ko, just enjoy it eh. Ito guys, ang upuan natin. N81, ayan. Ito siya. Daming tao. And I think thousands of people guys. Like 4,000 yata to. Okay, pahinga na tayo. So ito yung lantern natin guys. Dalawa yan. Tapos ito yung magiging light stick natin later. May katabi tayo. Tapos nakaset up na yung ating tripod. Dala ko yung tripod natin. And I hope ito will mabigyan ng justice yung ganda ng lantern. Pero guys, as in, naawa ko dun sa dalawang Koreans. Grabe naman, bakit sila pinapasok? Tapos hindi mo lang sila sinabihan na sa ibang lugar yun. Actually, yung mga gano'n naman, mga Lantern Festival is 2 days naman siya. Meron ngayon, katulad ngayon meron, tapos meron pa bukas. 2 days yun, pipili lang kayo ng date. Kasi mahal yun guys, mahal lang ticket. Saan makausap nila yung mga staff, tapos payagan sila sumama bukas. And if naman kung nakamotor sila, may time pa sila. Ayun, may how to light up lantern. Open the lantern gently, unfold and what? Malabo yung mata ko guys, wala yung salamin ko. Open the lantern gently, unfold and expand the lantern. Okay. Next is hold the lantern. Use both hands to hold the ang bilis naman. Light the fire, ignite the fuel with the candle provided. Ay, nako, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko makita, medyo malayo.
Tawag, pura gas. Kasi, alam. Really cool.
We need to buy one like this, yes. We use
Oh, okay. Same. It's the same.
But it's not, no, it's not the same. It's not for that.
What is
no,
it?
this is for use in.
Oh, I see.
But I just readjust.
Yeah, we only have
to be like this.
We don't have the selfie stick.
Yes, but
There's no stand.
yeah.
The same lantern and blessing for the good thing for your life. Alright, guys, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause and Sawadee Krab! Wow, that was amazing. Firstly, I have to say welcome to everyone. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, everybody here, are you ready? Everyone, are you ready? I love you all. So right now, I will not wait anymore because I know that we all are waiting too long. So before we going to start here, I would like to invite everyone to join with us for the Lana procession that will have everything to enjoy with all the activities tonight. A big round of applause to welcome the processions.
This is for my followers, subscribers, and mga friends ko dyan. Oh my God, thank you so much. Everyone, let's our worry fly away with this lantern and wishing you all the best. See you guys next year and more years to celebrate happiness. This one is for my family. More years to celebrate happiness, good health, more blessings for us. Baby Shanshan, Yaji, Kamita, Kuya ko and family, and also my mom and dad. I love you so much. More success.
I see the photo from
Grabe guys, ang ganda. As in. Syempre guys, we're gonna see you tomorrow for another celebration of the Lantern Festival. A quick tip, if you want to experience the Lantern Festival here in Chiang Mai guys, kahit next month or early next year, mag-check na kayo agad kung may ticket na. Kasi sobrang nagkakaubusan siya. Mas mahal kung mas malapit na sa month na yon. I'm not sure yet kung anong month magpo-fall yung Lantern Festival. It will be based and will depends on the full moon. Bye bye troubles, bye bye mga problema natin dyan. Bye bye. I hope guys na enjoy nyo yung mga hanas natin sa buhay ngayon. Mga experience natin from bad experience to good experience. Syempre dapat be positive lang tayo. Pwede mag-vent out, di ba? Tao lang naman tayo, pwede tayo mag-vent out. Basta hanap lang tayo ng paraan para maging okay ulit tayo. So anyway guys, that's it. We are done here sa Dutch Farm. And now we are heading back to our meet-up point kanina. Yung bus na sinakyan natin, yun ulit yung bus na mag-aatid sa atin pabalik. Thank you. Doon sa Central Plaza. Alright, I guess that's it, and I'll talk to you more about this kind of event tomorrow sa outing finale. And guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Regardless kung nagse-celebrate kayo ng Christmas and New Year or hindi, still, I wanna say Merry Christmas, God bless guys. Ingat kayo palagi, and no matter what happen, enjoy life lang. Lahat ng problema guys, dadaan lang yan. Daanan nyo lang. Panandali ang problema lang yan. For sure maraming solusyon. Just enjoy life again. Oh my God. One more. Yeah! O, diba? Andun na. Isigaw nyo yung mga problema nyo. And again, this experience, yung ating entire siyang may adventure and journey guys. You will never get to this age again. Just do, please do whatever makes you happy. And syempre, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs po natin. Bukas na tayo mag-emote guys. Enjoy your Christmas with your family and your loved ones. Ingat kayo palagi. Let's just appreciate life. And see you guys on our next travel vlog. Good night, everyone.